Today we are going to break down these terms do, does and did. As do and does both are same to some extent with a little difference. After learning do and does, we will study about did. Now look at this mini chart. You can see do and does both are helping verbs. Okay, and both can be used in the present tense. Do is used with I, you, we and they, whereas does is only used with he, she and it. Both can be used in affirmative sentences, negative sentences, and also used for asking questions. For example, we do our work. We do not do our work. Now look at, only just by adding not after do, we have changed into negative sentence. She does her exercise daily. This is an affirmative sentence. Now just adding not after does, we can make it into negative. She does not do her exercise daily. You can also ask the questions, do you like coffee or does she speak English? Simply remember the difference between do and does. We can use do with I, you, we and they, whereas does can be used only with he, she and it. And you all know the shortest form of do not is don't, and the shortest form of does not is doesn't. It is nice to use contractions while speaking, but if you are writing formal, a project or assignment, make sure you will write the full form of do not and does not. I hope you have understood do and does. You have studied all affirmative and negative sentences and how to ask the questions using do and does. Now look at did. These are also helping verbs. They can only be used for past tense. We use did with all the subjects. For example, I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. As we have done in do and does, in the same way, did can also be used in affirmative and negative sentences. It can also be used for asking questions in the past. For example, she did this work. Now, this is a very simple affirmative sentence. You can change it into negative by using not after did. Now, the sentence will be like this. She did not do this work. To convert into question, we can ask the question like this. Did she do this work? Now, as you have understood these three terms, let's complete the sentences by using do, does, and did. Number one, blank. You remember what I told you yesterday? What will you write in the blank? Do, does, or did? Before answering, look at the sentence. Firstly, it is in the present tense, and the question is about yesterday. Secondly, we use do because the subject is you. Therefore, we will write do in the sentence. Now, the complete sentence will be, do you remember what I told you yesterday? Number two, blank. You see him yesterday? As we are talking about yesterday, what will you write in the blank? Do, does, or did? The word yesterday shows the action happened in the past and the subject is you. Therefore, we can write did in the blank. Number three, why blank? She always arrived late for class. What will you write in the blank? Do, does, or did? You see, firstly, the sentence is in present. And second thing is does is always used with she. You can see over here. So we will write does in the blank. Number four, why blank? They leave the office late last night. Again, you have to decide what will you write in the blank? Do, does, or did? Firstly, the word last night clearly refers to the past. Second thing, As we are talking about they, therefore we will write did in the blank. Now the correct sentence is, why did they leave the office late last night? Sentence number 5, why blank? We need to submit this form today. What will you write? Do, does or did? As the word today shows that the sentence is in the present tense. And second point is, we always use do with we. Therefore, we will write do in the sentence. Now, the correct sentence is, why do we need to submit this form today? Number 6, it blank not fit in the box yesterday. What will you write in the blank? Do, does or did? Now look at this sentence. The word yesterday is showing that the sentence is in the past. Secondly, we always use did with it. So we will write did in the blank. Now the correct sentence will be, it did not fit in the box yesterday. Number 7, I blank exercise every morning. What will you write in the blank? Now before deciding, look at the sentence carefully. Firstly, every morning shows present tense and also the regularity. Secondly, do can be used with I. You can see here. So we write do in the blank. And the correct sentence will be, I do exercise every morning. Number 8, blank. He usually take the bus to work. Before deciding what to write in the blank, look at the sentence carefully. The word usually shows present habit and does is always used with present tense. As you can see in the chart, does is always used with he. So we write in the sentence does. Now the correct sentence is, does he usually take the bus to work? And that brings us to the end of today's lesson on do, does and did. I hope this lesson has made these 3 little words much clearer and easier for you. Now complete these sentences by using do, does and did. Number 1, blank, you notice anything unusual yesterday? Number 2, why? Blank, she always change her mind. Number 3, blank, we really need to finish this work today. Write your answers in the comment or inbox me. I'll be happy to check them. If you would like the video, share it with someone who may benefit from it. Also subscribe to my channel for simple and useful lessons. Your likes, shares and subscriptions may seem small, but they mean a lot to me. They encourage me to continue creating lessons for you with love and dedications. Thank you so much for watching and for being a part of my learning family. Keep learning and speak fluently. Take care. See you in the next lesson.